work of so many app developers, we are getting more and more productive with our mobile phones by downloading the correct apps. Managing finances is extremely important for a couple, for a family, and also for a student. In my channel Technology Traveler, I regularly review apps that can make a difference. If you're interested in knowing about an app that really works to manage your finances, because I try for at least 2 weeks before I review an app. Subscribe to my channel Technology Traveler. Watch the video till the end and then decide. Let's go into the Goodbudget app. Now it asked me to create new household and I have started creating my envelopes. Go into envelopes. Wherever you think the major 10 categories you have in free option, you can choose 5 categories, so 5 envelopes where you want to organize your expenditure to get your income from one source. Then the free version is fine. If you think you will have income from 2-3 sources like 2-3 credit cards or something, then you have to go paid version. As of now, I stay on the free version. The free version is working fine for me, so I have added. Now after adding the envelopes, if I just click on transactions or I click on plus, whom did you pay? So let's say I paid McDonald's, then what amount? Maybe $50. And was it an expense or credit? Of course it was an expense. So which envelope? I'm selecting the eating out one, which has 300 left, and my account is showing 600. A note is optional if you want to just mention the note. You've made the expenditure from a particular envelope. So as you can see, eating out, the green line has also gone back and it's showing from 250, it's gone back to 300. So if I go on the reports option, it's showing income versus spending. So it's shown that total spending has been done only under the eating out envelope. As in when you keep spending, it'll show you from which envelope or which category are you spending and how much is left. You can link this with more than one device, but that is possible in a paid version, and you can have more than 10 categories to plan your budget from. Very simple. So the tabs which matter are all on the top. Envelopes, just keep creating your envelopes. You can go up till 10. Transactions, as and when you make transactions, like here, suppose in the IGL, I have paid IGL and I have paid 100 and that was expense. I click on tick. I go into the accounts. I have a single account, so it's showing only this. If I go into reports, it's now showing that I have made 2 expenditures, gas and eating out, and how much is spending. Within this, in one of the envelopes, I can also have a savings, and when you choose savings, that savings you could decide that do you want the savings per month or do you want a set goal saving, like whether you should be able to save even within a week or in the whole year. That can be one of your envelopes. So it just makes it very easy. Now the red line means the amount for gas has been fully spent. Browse the 4 tabs on the top and it makes it very easy to navigate. Hope this small step of downloading the correct app makes a big difference in the finances in your life. If you'd like me to share more such tech updates, stay subscribed to my channel and be with me. See you soon.